So, ibig sabihin nito, no, si Mercury is the ruling planet of Gemini. So, mas malakas ang ating pakikipagkomunikasyon sa iba, no? Be mindful lang po na pag makikipag-communicate tayo or magkikipag-connecta tayo sa any kind of when it comes to communication. Especially sa panahon po ngayon, sa generation ngayon, puro social media tayo, no? Be mindful lang po na think before we click na lang po muna. Kasi malakas po talaga yung energy natin. Kasi, ang energy kasi ni Mercury, lalo na nasa bahay ni Pisces, si Pisces about, intuitive siya. So, mas sa kanya, mas yung marami siyang iniisip, no? Para siyang, let me say na, maraming ini-imagine. And then, kung ano yung nakikita niya, yun yung talagang pumapasok sa utak niya. And then si Mercury kasi is about communication, no? So words talaga, lalabas talaga yung words. So pag-isipan po muna nating mabuti kung okay po ba talaga yung mga ilalabas natin sa ating mga bibig, no? Especially sa iyo, no, Gemini, because you are the communication sign, no? Malakas kang makipag-communicate sa ibang tao, no? At lalo na yan ang iyong asset, yung pakikipag-communicate. Diyan ka magaling, mabilis kang mag-isip, mabilis kang mag-process ng mga bagay-bagay sa utak mo at talagang nasasabi mo siya ng talagang clear at malinaw, no? So, take advantage of that Mercury retrograde in Pisces, no? And always think positive lang. Alright, so let me see your love, career, and finance for our Gemini. Okay, so first you have the, di ko babasahin ng reverse. 3 of Swords, you have the Ace of Wands, and you have the Ace of Swords. Wow, new beginning, no? Obviously, meron kang new beginning. Sa love mo, no, medyo merong mga heartache, grief kang naramdaman or mararamdaman, no? And it looks like, it encouraged you to be this pain, to use this pain as a lesson learned, no, Gemini? So, accept your anything loss, kung ano ba yung merong mga problemang nangyari sa'yo, accept mo and i-release mo yung pain. I-release mo yung pain and move on with the past behind you. Because you have the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords here as well, which is, kailangan mong mag-move forward dahil andyan yung new parang parang breakthrough siya para siyang ito yung mental clarity mo may makukuha kang mental clarity. Only if you let the pain or the problem or the, heartbreak behind, no? Behind or move on with the past behind you. Yun yung sinasabi sa'yo ni 3 of Swords mo sa iyong love. So, let's move naman sa iyong Ace of Wands. Sa Ace of Wands mo naman, meron ka ritong parang breakthrough, no? Ito yung sinasabi dito ni card mo, ni Ace of Wands, is the perfect time to act on those feelings. Kung ano yung mga sakit na naramdaman mo noon, no? Yun yung gamitin mo para mag-move forward, no? Para, this is that perfect time daw, para gamitin mo yon as a positive, no? Na outcome na maaring dumating sa'yo. Which is Ace of Wands is about green light to Green light si Ace of Wands. It's about inspiration, breakthrough, no? So, maaring may mga projects kang darating and this is the right time to start taking those first step into making your dream to a reality when it comes to your career. Yun ang sinasabi sa'yo ni Ace of Wands. And let's move naman sa iyong finance, no? You have Ace of Swords dito. Si Ace of Swords is about power, victory, and mental clarity. So, ang sinasabi dito is mental breakthrough and clarity daw ang pinaka-importante. The confusion has cleared and you have a balanced mind. Magkakaroon ka ng balanced mind, no? And you're gonna have a clarity, no? So, cut away the excess and focus on your goal. Mag-focus ka sa iyong goal because you're weak. This week of our reading, you have to focus on your shift when it comes to your career in public. Public recognition to. Victory to sa Ace of Swords, no? And also, collaboration ang pinaka-importante, which is ikaw ang Gemini, magaling ka sa networking, magaling ka sa communication, magaling ka mag-create ng napakabilis mong mag-create ng anything when it comes to your career, no? So, of course, si career and sa iyong finance is connected naman yan sila. So, maganda is magkaroon ka na or mag-start ka ng high obtain ng iyong period for networking. Anything na networking. Makipag-collaborate ka, makipag-conversation ka, no? Because that's the Gemini energy there. Alright? So, i-clarify pa natin sila. As of now, wala pa naman ako nakikitang hindi maganda. But we will still clarify these cards. Alright? For our Gemini. Alright, let me clarify the love ng iyong Three of Swords. Love for our Three of Swords. Alright, you have the Empress, which is the Divine Feminine, no? Wow, you have the Ace of Pentacles as well, and you have the Five of Pentacles. Wow! Ganda ng love mo. This is, I can see that this love is love for yourself. No? Self-love. Self-love. More on self-love ka, more on family love ka. Wala akong nakikita na relationship when it comes to partner love. No? I'm sorry to say that, Gemini, but wala akong nakikita. It's more on nakikita ko dito sa mga cards na to is self-love or love para sa pamilya. Kasi meron kang the Empress, which is the Divine Feminine, no? Sensuality, fertility, and nurturing. And you might, maari, no? We're not that sure, but maaring mabuntis ka din, no? We don't know kung kailan, but ito yung parang malakas yung ano mo, yung fertility mo. Because yun nga, dahil nga mas malakas yung communication, ano mo, energy mo, no, Gemini? Wow, wow. Okay, so the Empress is about fertility and nurturing, no? Being, actually, ito rin siya yung very creative. You may create love for yourself, you may create love for your family, you may create love for someone, no? Or sa iyong partner, maaari. Pero nakikita ko dito, mas malakas ang self-love mo when it comes to yourself. Okay, and then you have the Ace of Pentacles. The Ace of Pentacles, when it comes to love, is about generosity, no? Giving love to someone, to something, to someone, to sa mga kahit anong mga ginagawa mo sa iyong resources, sa iyong mga para magkaroon, kasi parang giving love for you is about security and stability, which is napakaganda nito, no? And you also have Five of Pentacles. Katulad ni Ace of Pentacles, it's about generosity nga. Si Five of Pentacles, it's about medyo may mga difficulties, but don't worry because feeling abandoned sometimes, then, no, it might give you strength nga no? Might give you more time to think, no, parang mag-transition, no, na nakikita mo yung struggle ng ibang tao eh. So mas malakas yung maibibigay mong love para sa ibang tao. Wow, ang ganda, ang ganda. Okay, now let's clarify your Ace of Wands for your career para sa ating mga Gemini. Ace of Wands for 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 Gemini. Okay. So, you have Nine of Swords, you have the Page of Wands, and you have the Emperor, which is maganda ito, no? So, may mga worries ka, no? Meron ka minsan nag-isip ka ng mga negativity when it comes to your career. Meron kang parang nandun ka sa breaking point mo na nag-iisip ka, parang na-stress ka sa trabaho. Sobrang, you don't know which one, kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin, no? Medyo, let's say, may worries eh. May worries ka sa work or sa career mo. And then, of course, because if you are a Gemini, you are very creative, you are very explore person, very adventure person, very energetic when it comes to your job, to your career, no? Very ideas, lagi kang merong new ideas, and that's the Gemini for sure. And then, management, no, if you want a good management and good leadership, no, and you want some protection and stability, ang sinasabi dito ni Emperor is Emperor kasi is about practical and focus and discipline, no, when it comes to any situation sa kanyang buhay, which is kung gusto mo ng stability para hindi ka na mag-worry masyado, no, dahil ikaw naman ay isang creative person, no, and marami kang mga ideas, maging fair ka lang daw. Maging fair, mag-focus ka, maging discipline ka sa mga ginagawa mo. You can control as a leader, you can control as a good manager, kung manager ka man, no? Kumbaga, give the right and true instruction for kung ano man ang meron ka sa iyong career, no? Because taking charge of your life and establishing order and stability, you must have the power and authority to make things happen. Kung gusto mo ito, no, always be truth, not just to yourself, also truth sa mga ginagawa mo. Yung totoo, yung tama, yung hindi sumasang-ayon sa mga negative na bagay. No, yun yung sinasabi sa iyo, Gemini, ng iyong career at ng iyong mga cards. Okay? So, let me clarify now the Ace of Swords for your finance. Ace of Swords for your finance, no? For Gemini. Ace of Swords for Gemini. So, niya, no, kung gusto mo ng mental clarity and force and power, force and power sa iyong finance, no, sinasabi dito, don't be masyadong mag-secret. Because medyo may mga kasinungalingan daw, no? May mga kasinungalingan, merong mga sneakiness, no? Masyadong strategic, masyadong sneakiness. Ayan, kita mo, sa trabaho, no? Ito yung bagay na nakakapag-restrict sa'yo, no? Sa mga blessings mo when it comes to your finance, no? Kasi meron kang Ace of Swords, no? And then, yeah, if you want to have a success or financial success in your finance, no, in any situation of your career, no, at tumaas pa at mag-increase pa, no, kailangan alisin mo yung pagiging sobra-sobrang strategic, sobra-sobrang pagmamanipulate, no, and yeah, and this is about Eight of Swords is about also fear of changes, no. May kinakatakutan ka when it comes to your finance, but ingat lang, no? Ingat lang sa mga ganitong ginagawa, no? I'm not saying that you are, only takes what resonate with you, but ito yung lumalabas sa iyong cards, no? Yes, so let me give you some advice for this, no? Gemini, for your reading, let me give you some advice from Angel and Divine. No, Angel, Spirit Guide, what is your advice for our Gemini sa reading na ito? Alright, relationship. Your primary relationship is with yourself and God. Katulad nga ng sabi natin kanina, no? And every other relationship follows from there, no? At yung mga iba pang mga relationship is susunod na lang daw, no? But no, magkakaroon ka, or ang advice sa'yo ni universe is your primary relationship is within yourself nga daw, no? And to attract, heal, or balance a relationship that's snuggling you more closely with your loving creator. As you feel safe and loved within, so should your other relationship bloom and prosper. No? Yes. And katulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, relationship with yourself nga. No? Sa iyong love. No? Para hindi ka na mag-worried. para hindi ka na makagawa or maaring gumawa ng mga sneakiness or mga manipulation or any negative aspect to gain what you want in life. So, yes, that's your reading, Gemini. I hope you like it and see you in my next video.